What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Khumalo is not happy at all with Advocate Tefo. Khumalo is saying Advocate Tefo insinuated that she slept with Bheki Cele to cover up the crime of Senzo Meyiwa. Khumalo was speaking on the show on Showmax when she said one of those allegations is that she allegedly slept with Police Minister Bheki Cele to cover up her involvement in Senzo Meyiwa's murder. So Khumalo is saying, as an advocate, Tebo shouldn't be dealing with her personally. He shouldn't be going around insinuating that she slept with the minister. So Khumalo was saying, as an advocate who is representing the accused, she can't be saying that he's insinuating that I slept with the minister of police. But speaking the truth now, did Khumalo sleep with Bheki Cele? The news is all over Google. You can just search it and just be like, Khumalo slept with Bheki Cele. You will see so many of these articles. You would think that she actually slept with Bheki Cele. But as for us, we don't know whether she slept with Bheki Cele or not. But those are the rumors that are circulating out there. And some people say wherever there is smoke, there is definitely fire. But is Khumalo that type to do that? Kind of tricky. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Did Khumalo do it or did she not do it? I'll catch you guys on the next.